often wonder if they can get rid of periodontal disease. When someone has active periodontal disease, bacteria and buildup has sat below that gum tissue and has actually started to deteriorate the bone that supports our teeth. We can't grow bone back, so when someone has active periodontal disease, they do always have it, but our goal is to maintain it. The best way to put that periodontal disease in remission is to do what we call a deep cleaning. A deep cleaning allows us to go below that gum tissue and remove that bacteria and that buildup in hopes to inactivate the gum disease. With good brushing, flossing, and rinsing habits, and being regular with seeing your dentist anywhere from 2 to 3 times a year, we can keep that periodontal disease in check and in remission.